Raksha Bandhan is a beautiful and sacred Indian festival that celebrates the bond between brothers and sisters. The name Raksha Bandhan means the bond of protection, where Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond or tie. On this special day, sisters tie a colorful thread called a Rakhi around their brothers' wrists as a symbol of love, respect, and prayers for their well being. In return, brothers promise to protect their sisters throughout their lives and often give them gifts as a token of appreciation and affection. This festival is traditionally observed on the full moon day, Purnima, of the Hindu month of Shravana, usually in August. Families come together, sweets are shared, and homes are filled with joy and laughter. Raksha Bandhan is not just about the thread, it's about the emotion and promise it carries. It symbolizes the deep rooted cultural value of family bonds and mutual respect. In today's times, the meaning of the festival has expanded, and people also tie Rakhis to their friends, mentors, and those they consider protective and loving. It is a festival that beautifully showcases the richness of Indian tradition and the timeless value of love, trust, and commitment in relationships. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video with your friends and family. And also don't forget to follow our Facebook page for more fun and creative craft ideas. Thank you. Stay creative. Bye.